Hey there, before you can begin with this series and before you can flash programs to your ESP32, you will need to install some drivers. Now the ESP32 development boards have a built-in USB-to-UART controller, so you don't need a standalone USB to TTL controller to flash it. You do, however, need a driver so that your computer can recognize and talk to this chip. Now, depending on your board, you will need a driver for either the CH340 or the CP2010X chip. You can find out what chip your board uses by looking at its datasheet or by looking closely at the board itself. You should be able to find a chip that has one of these numbers printed on it. Once you find out which chip your board uses, download and install the drivers like any other piece of software. I will provide the download links for macOS, Windows, and Linux in the description of this video. Once you've done that, you're ready to start programming your ESP32. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the rest of the series to learn how to program your ESP32.